Meaning of incident.
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 Incident. The word incident refers to an event or occurrence that is often unexpected and can have negative consequences. It can refer to various situations such as accidents, natural disasters, conflicts, or security breaches. Depending on the severity of the incident, it can result in physical harm, emotional distress, property damage, financial loss, or even loss of life. When an incident occurs, it is important to take appropriate measures to mitigate its impact and prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. Overall, incidents can have a profound impact on individuals, communities, and society as a whole.